Oh, how am I doing?
Yes, I think. I think yes. That's good?
Very good. Try not to eat like a pig. Very European. Just having a little smoke out there. I wonder if I could do it in French. Je voudrais Diet Coke, s'il vous plaît.
Light Coke?
Oh yeah, any kind of light Coke.
Coke Zero?
Coke Zero would be great, yeah. Was that right? Did I get that right?
Yes.
I did French for 2 years at school. 2. Barely had time to blink. I feel like I haven't really talked at all. That will probably be a relief to some of the people watching. Ah, merci.
It's good?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's very good, yeah. That's a tall glass of Coke, that, isn't it? Is that just me, or does that seem taller than your average single-serving glass of Coke? Not complaining. What's the time, sir?
13 minutes, 20 seconds.
Oh, come on now. I feel so bad for this lady. Je suis désolé. That's like, you know when people wake up from comas and they can suddenly speak a different language? I got it. That means I am sorry, right? Yeah. Look at that. Oh,
Got an audience now.
almost there, almost. What's the time, Josh? 1?
Just past 17 minutes there.
17.
Yeah.
All right. This has been Mixed Food, and that was the biggest burger in France. Beaten record time. Merci, merci. Oh man, that was delicious. That was so good.
You feel good?
I feel great. Yeah. Do you have desserts here?
Yeah.